In this video, we'll walk through how to create an account and list your properties. While we will be using GeorgiaHousingSearch.org as an example, the steps and processes apply to any housing locator site hosted by Emphasys Housing Locator. For landlords with an existing account, we'll show you how to log in and manage your properties. For those new to the platform, we'll guide you through setting up an account and creating your first listing. Let's get started. For landlords that have an account, select Log In at the top right of the homepage and enter your user credentials. If you've forgotten your password, select Forgot Password or contact the call center for assistance. For new accounts, on the upper right, you'll see the option to List Housing. On the next screen, select Need an Account to list properties. Complete the following fields to create your account, noting only that fields marked with an asterisk are required. If you are not associated with a company, you can select Private Owner and leave the company information fields blank. Proceed to the phone number box and enter your phone number. This number will appear in your listings. You can also enter an alternate phone number and select if you want to make that phone number public or private. Note the difference similarly between public and private email options. The private email is used for communication only from MyHousingSearch staff, whereas the public email is displayed for prospective tenants. You can use the Optional Information section to display pertinent information for prospective tenants that will populate to each of your listings. It's best to keep information in this section short and concise. The final box is for your account password. Your password must be 8 characters in length and contain 4 types of characters: uppercase, lowercase, number, and symbol. Enter your new password here and confirm your password here. Check the box that confirms you are not a robot and then click Submit. You will be prompted to review the information and submit for a final time. The next page will confirm that we've received your registration. To list your properties, please call us toll-free at 1-877-428-8844 Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern. We ask that you call us so that we can verify you are a property owner. We'll ask you a few questions and can even help you list your first property. If you don't have time to call us, we can verify your registration by email. We will review your information and email you within 7 business days. With your approved registration, you can now select Log In. You're now ready to start listing. Select the type of listing you want to add. In your case, select Rental. Select the state where you want to add the listing and select Go. Next, please select the city where you have a property to list. Note that larger metropolitan areas are located at the top, with all cities in alphabetical order below. Information with an asterisk is required and other information is optional. Start here by entering the address. Enter any promotional information here, such as minutes away from public transportation. Select your zip code here. Scroll down to Building. Does your property have a name or building number? If so, enter it here. You can leave it blank if this does not apply. Enter the year your building was built. If you're not sure, you can estimate. Enter your building type from the drop-down menu here. Enter here if your listing is a shared living facility. Your contact information appears here with your phone number. If you would like to add another name or phone number associated with this property, select New Contact and fill in the new contact information. Scroll down. This portion should already be filled in from your registration application, but if you want to make changes, you can do so now. Scroll down to Senior Disabled. Please let us know if your listing is a facility for seniors or for people with disabilities. If not, select No, not a senior facility. Scroll down to Rent and Income Limits. Select Yes if you are a tax credit property, or No if you're not or unsure. Scroll down to Costs. Select your minimum lease from the drop-down menu. enter your monthly rent here, and enter your security deposit here. Scroll down to Utilities Included in Rent and select the services that apply. Scroll down and select your pets policy and then your smoking policy. You can fill in other information that describes your property below. Scroll down to Utilities and select the appropriate responses under air conditioning, heater, water heater. Scroll down to Safety and select the appropriate responses for smoke detector and carbon monoxide detector. Scroll down to Lead paint. You are asked here if your property meets safety guidelines. If you're not sure, consult lead safety information here. Then select yes or no. Continue to Parking and Entrance. You may enter your parking selection here, but it is not required. Below, select the entry location, unit entry, and unit minimum door width. You can enter additional door and entryway features here, but it's not required. Scroll down to Accessibility. Select for counter vanity and for door faucet handles. Under Kitchen and Bath Accessibility, you may describe your kitchen and bathroom from the options listed, but this is also not required. Under Appliances, you will be able to select whether a stove, microwave, refrigerator, dryer, and laundry facilities are available. You can also list additional information here regarding other appliances offered at the property. Scroll down to the final box named Nearby. Although this information is not required, it can be very useful. Below, you'll find a comments box. If you feel there is any additional information that you would like to add, you can type it in here. Now, all you have to do is click Save Listing. The final window is the New Listing Added page. From this page, you can edit your listing or add pictures of your property. If at any time you need to edit your listing, it's simple. Log in. Click to continue, and when you see the property that you want to edit, select Edit here. Make your changes and click Save Listing. A screen will appear with your updates. From this screen, you can make additional edits and add pictures. Make sure to add pictures of your property. Our statistics show that listings with pictures receive more than twice the traffic. If at any time you are having difficulty registering, adding, or editing a listing, please call us toll-free at 1-877-428-8844, Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern. Thank you for watching.